it. 2005 F550 dump bed. Dump truck. It's got mildew all over it. I mean, this thing is nasty. Only 103,000 miles though. Extended cab. How nasty this thing is. Clean this puppy up. It's got some stuff wrong with it. It's draining the batteries. So I'm trying to figure that out. Just bought brand new batteries, but I got to figure out what's draining it. It's from up north, so it does have rust, but I don't think it's as bad as people think it is. I think these sides fold down. Look at all that mold and mildew on the side of this thing. Pressure wash it, clean it, detail it real good. So I just pulled the batteries out. But it looks like it had a plow on it. So that's it. Let's get to work. That's it. Next, I need to work on the ABS system. So stay tuned for part 2. I'm also going to fix this bed. It's a little rusted out. This truck isn't perfect. It was a salt truck, so I need to find another fender flare to go there and straighten out that bumper. So we'll take this up. But she's clean. Cleaner. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching.